The discovery of oil reserves along Namibia's coastline has caught the eye and interest of major international energy companies. Many of them now want a stake in the country's untapped oil reserves and are investing heavily in offshore exploration drilling, with the hope of finding huge deposits and major success. Authorities in Namibia are on their part laying the groundwork to attract more of such investors.
At the moment, Namibia is more or less a hot spot for oil and gas exploration. We've been to Namibia for a few years right now, so we have made about three 3D seismic projects, focusing on the Orange Basin, which is, we can see a big potential. Obviously, there's a few discoveries.
With Shell and its partners having discovered oil in the Orange Basin, and Total Energies making a similar discovery, work is underway to further explore Namibia's vast oil prospects. According to the government, this could bring close to $500 million annually in state revenue through royalties and taxes, which will boost the local economy. A number of wells sunk in the Orange Basin have shown promising signs that the country's future in oil production looks bright. However, even as oil exploration continues in Namibia and neighboring South Africa, some experts have called for caution to avoid environmental disasters.
We have to have a plan in place to make sure that should there be something like an oil spill or a blowout, we have to make sure that our neighbors, like Namibia, for instance, aren't going to be affected. Now, in terms of international law, it's not domestic law, so this is something that countries around the world are bound by. So I would imagine that they would also have the same imperatives.
For now, many see Namibia as a promising frontier market with enough oil and gas reserves to not only boost its economy, but make it a significant player in the global upstream sector. Travis Andrews, CGTN.